As part of the World Environment Day Celebration 2022, the Khasi Students Union Mawlai Circle had organized a tree plantation program on the 4th of June 2022 at the public laundry area at Mawlai Umjapung Umshing. Around 200 tree saplings were planted in the area, which also falls under Hima Mylliem. Those present included the President of the KSU Mawlai Circle, Biamgdor Paliar, General Secretary Rapborlang Nongrum, Headman of Mawlai Umshing Mawkynroh Nongkhlaw, and others. On the same day, around 3,000 fish seeds were released into the river, passing through the Mawlai bypass, while members of the student organization also conducted a cleaning drive in the area.
Pemanggilan kisnam di beladam belalai ahli arti kisnam ngem semio yo bande kini nuki jengken ma buram nam ta ban penne sa ek mai marang ke kumbaju pembalakan hi presiden mene baga jeng penne ek mai mariang kamdai tang mentang kasih sisi andre kadai bangin penne kadai ban long bai mal kasih kata kalong hak emang salang hak ya yang senistai ban ngide ban smart ko ya mai mariang ke kumba plai hi meneng la ban tung sifat lik temrai diang Hang tepo Khasi Students bat mentang la pelaj ini dokha la hejar teli dokha bat ngikerman bagini dokha kenroi hak ni kawa umshing bat ba kibrio ro sumar ya kani kawa nomor ba hak ni kisi ba mentang ni sibon bakiwa gelas dang bandu no te ladang kum gajai benrio ladakum hak emlang salang ngiklat bang sumar ni kiwa kalau ka ege jengdu ka bakra hak hamtam hani patang ba menta te kum pi ba kani kawa kinong choir gidan kum plai hi la jong kamannya Pengingai dulu bagi nong Shillong bagi beri kawan man hakani jika makin ni pensai gitu wa ki om makin show do dak ba su terbom ba su version ba ki benta ba fair hak jengkwan lalot jengkun menrio ba nakaliang juga sangru ngi mahamjor bang numsha dalele ru bakin show do hak takar kom kaban penyap lo di kidok not hakani kawa